Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT at its capacity. I'm going to show you 3 different ways where you can do it. First, use incognito mode. This one actually does help a little bit into getting into your account. But you will need to relog and put all of your details once again. Second of all, is by using a VPN. NordVPN or any of the paid VPNs will allow you to use ChatGPT from any other countries, which could help from being at its capacity. Now, when the ChatGPT is at its capacity, it will show you a little big screen which shows you we are at capacity right now, and will tell you a lot of very interesting facts. A best thing to do is if you need it urgently, just keep refreshing the page. This will show that once a person leaves ChatGPT, and if you keep refreshing it, you're going to be the first person in, and also that person's going to be out instantly and cannot go back in until someone else leaves or until you leave. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.